Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and today we're going to take a look and a drive in this 2021 Cadillac CT4 Premium Luxury. And you can see the stats on your right hand corner. Why don't we start off with a little remote start? Here's the key. So we'll probably, let me be honest, I haven't tried it yet. Probably have to lock it twice and hold the key. There we go. Equipped with the 2.7 liter inline 4. Let's get in. And as always, if you want to hear all my thoughts and a full review about this Cadillac CT4, just click in the top right hand corner where you can find my in-depth review. Without further ado, let's buckle up, get it properly started. Nope. And start driving. As per usual, we are going to give it a little acceleration run in about a minute. If you just want to quickly skip the little drive there, it doesn't take long. You can find timestamps as always in this video, so I'll just timestamp it on the bottom and you can see it on the YouTube timeline. Get the brown interior in this one, which I do really like. Looks great. The sunroof, we get the Bose audio system. It's a pretty well equipped one. It's not the top trim, but it is pretty nice still. Cleaner for you. Right, we're already in sport mode. Here's our switch, and we will see how busy it is. Obviously, even if we don't get to do an acceleration run here, we always have a launch and an acceleration run in our full review. Wait. We'll get some distance to those guys up front. And go. Don't want to go too far here. And there we go. Yeah, it's pretty quick. 310 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque, if I'm correct. You've seen it at the beginning, the V, if you go for the Cadillac CT4 V, which is not the Blackwing. The Blackwing is like what used to be the V. That's still coming up. The V has the same motor, same engine, but I think it produces 320 or 330 horses around there. It's a little more power, a little more torque, but not that much. The main thing about the V is that it has a limited slip differential, which this one here does not come with. Which is it's a very good thing if you want to drive sporty. But let's put her back into tour mode. We obviously also have my mode, but I haven't used it a single time. Infotainment. It's nice and quick. We got Android Auto. I have to blur that. I hope I didn't forget that. Yeah, Android Auto. But as you can see, pretty quick and responsive. Interestingly enough, we have two volume knobs. One this, I can't use it obviously now because otherwise we get copyright strike, and one here. And if we want to use an operator, we can either use the touchscreen or we can use this dial here, which is, okay, it's a little cumbersome, I find. I prefer like the trackpad that Mercedes uses, even though many people don't like this, so I'm the odd one out. It's usable, but for me personally, it's just easy to just use the touchscreen, honestly. But hey, if you want it, you have it here. Can put up sunroof. Let's tilt it. Don't need to open it fully because we don't want to have too much wind noise. For some reason, these POV drives, I always tend to grip the steering wheel awkwardly. I do not know why. But I'm always like too focused on keeping both hands on it, instead of just gripping it differently. I don't know, it just happens with these POV drives. It's so weird. So if you see me doing what I just did and kind of having funky grips on a steering wheel, that's why. In the review I don't do it, just in the POV drives. So that's why it was all closed all the time. I get it. They redevelop it. They're redeveloping it. That makes sense. Well, rip my parking lot. So sad. Let's stop here for a second. All right, that was a POV drive in this Cadillac CT4. Let's put it in park and shut her down. Yeah, no, I like driving it, like I said. And yeah, hope that gave you a good brief look at how it is to drive the CT4 in the city. And yeah, a couple of my keys over there if you want to hear my full thoughts. Top right hand corner or on the left side of your screen probably right now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope we'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.